Hello YouTube, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a steering for the Harrier. Which model is it? Which year?
2007.
2007.
You remove the cap of the right hand, then a cap of the left hand.
Remove what?
The cap
Okay.
of the left hand. This is left hand. It has left. The other cap has right. You see? Then you get the Allen key. The size, there is a what? A screw here.
Yeah.
You get Allen key, which can open the screw. Then you try to open. Try to open. Then you go on the left side.
Do the same.
You do the same. Remove the screw. Then you remove the hooks. You remove the horn. The wire for the horn is this.
Which one?
This is the wire for the horn. This is the wire for how's airbag. You open it slowly. The wires for the airbag. You remove the wires.
Remove the airbag wires. Then for the horn is this.
This is for the
Airbag, and also the color codings are seen.
Then
So next step you're going to
remove the steering.
the steering with this
Nut.
Which size is it? 17?
17. Nut 17. Nut, it is 19.
19? Go to stroke.
We are moving the steering.
So you hit the steering gently, then to go out, as you can see. What else is attached to the steering?
There is a music.
Okay.
The controller.
You have the controllers that control music on the radio. So you have to also remove it before you remove the steering completely.
You can remove the switch for it.
So you just remove the switch. Then
socket.
after, the airbag wires will stay. And this is what you remain with. You have 2 screws. So this was a quick video on how to remove a Harrier model 2007, and we're going to show you the other video on how to remove the dashboard. So please subscribe to this channel if the video was helpful, and don't forget to click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful video like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.